Okay, I think we can start. Welcome everyone. I'm really happy to have Paysera here today with us. Paysera is a fintech banking institution, and I'm going to give the word over to Tanel from Paysera, and he's going to introduce Paysera and the options by himself. So thank you.
Hello, my name is Tanel, as I've been introduced, and I work for Paysera Estonia. So at first I would like to speak a little bit about our company, so and later if you have any specific questions, you can ask them. Okay, so maybe we can change the next slide.
Yes, just a minute.
Mm.
To this one?
Yes. So Paysera is an e-money institution that has been licensed by the Bank of Lithuania from 2012. And we have a right to execute the activity related to issuance of e-money and provision of payment services all around the European Union. We are a safe, cheap and easy way to perform payments and to send and receive money online from all over the world. And each day we are working to make the difficult and complex processes that can be international transfers easier and less expensive. So our mission is to provide the most convenient payment services at reasonable prices and for all technologies. And we wish that in the future, electronic payments would have no boundaries, no matter where you are. They would be simple, fast, and cheap. Yes. So for the next slide. So Paysera is quite, we have quite a legacy. We started from 2014 in Lithuania with only 3 employees, and we were not called Paysera, we were called Electronic Business Projects. And in 2006, we started a project called Mokesmai, or Payment Collection Project, to help merchants collect payments using our system from different payment solutions. And in 2011, we received a license from Bank of Lithuania. After that, in 2012, we expanded our activities and we received the first electronic money institution license that was given out in Lithuania. And since then, we have been working as we are now. In 2014, our company was renamed as Paysera. We opened several new offices in Lithuania. We launched our quite convenient and easy to use mobile application. And we already had more than 50 employees working in our company. One of the big steps that happened was in 2016 when all clients were provided with IBAN account numbers. So they were possible to receive and make transfers easier in the SEPA network. Also, we started providing Visa debit cards for our clients that we still do. And in 2018, we joined the SEPA instant payment systems to make payments 24/7 in the SEPA network in amounts up to 15,000 euros. And in 2019, we opened the branch in Estonia. And by this time, we already have branches in Latvia and Bulgaria. And also this year, we opened another branch in Romania. So we are expanding each year. Okay. Yes, so currently, as I already said, we have already 5 branches and we employ more than 150 employees. With our system, our clients are able to make transfers to more than 180 countries and to over 10,000 banks. And all from where the transfers can be made, all of these clients can also join our system for easier access of the funds and also make transfers. And currently we have almost 400,000 clients in our system. And in last year, our clients performed almost 2 million transfers in a total amount of 3.9 billion euros.
Mhm.
Yes. So I would like to speak a little bit our main services. All of our clients will receive an IBAN account number where they can receive funds in euro currency from SEPA countries. Currently, this account is only meant for that, to receive international payments. We have a separate system. We are also, as I said earlier, a member of SEPA Instant. So if the recipient bank or the sender bank that is not Paysera is also a member of SEPA Instant, transfers can be made in a matter of minutes all year round. So, and for our private clients, this service is completely free for unlimited transfers. For business clients, this is 29 cents. We also offer a card for our clients. This is a Visa card and a debit, not a credit card currently. This is a contactless card and can be used for electronic payments and in physical stores and in all ATMs that accept Visa cards. In our system, when a client orders a new card, an additional IBAN account is open for the card so that the funds are separated and people can use only the funds that are needed for card payments in their card account. So from 2014, when we used an app, developed an app, we have updated it, and now it is completely, as you could say that our web version is no longer necessary. Everything can be done over the app. You can use it for identification, you can make international transfers, and you can find out details that are necessary for receiving international transfers. And there are many functions in the app that are only for app-based. There can be, you can set up a savings account and make payments each month that you would be able to save money, for example. All of our accounts are multi-currency, so that means that without any application or anything, your account supports all 30 currencies that we currently support, and the client can just easily change money on their online currency exchange and make transfers and receive these funds in the currency they wish. And then there is no additional fee for the currency exchange, and we try to offer at the best currency rate that we can. And then to support our clients, when the amount is larger, our system automatically translates this rate to a better one. So international payments, as I said before, can be done through our different system. So the IBAN account that is for our clients cannot accept payments outside SEPA systems or in any other currency than euro. So that's why we have a function called our account as add funds. This can be used to find out the correct details that are necessary to receive funds. And it's needed to keep in mind that when the payment is made, it has to be in the name of Paysera LT, so that because the payments are made to our business's account in different systems. And also all clients have a Paysera internal account number that has to be indicated when the payment is made. So additionally, we have a very popular system that is called Paysera Checkout. It is for merchants that are who have an e-shop and would like to collect payments from all around the world. And with that, they can integrate our system to their website and collect payments from very popular payment systems from across Europe and all local and foreign banks that we support. Also for European economic area companies, they can add Visa and MasterCard and MaestroCard payment collection. And the second project that we use next to our regular payment systems is Paysera tickets, which allows our clients to organize an event where the clients can pay through our system, and the events can be arranged in our system. And in case when the event is free, they can use our system for free. So we only charge for the received payments. Yes. So basically we can divide our clients into two different lists. So private clients and business clients. All of our clients, all of our private clients will receive a free account that has no management fees and will receive an IBAN account for transfers. For business clients, this is only for companies that are registered inside the European Economic Area. If the company is outside the European area, there is a fee of opening fee of 10 euros and a monthly administration fee of 1 euros. If the company is international or they are a financial service provider, there is a fee of opening for 100 euros and 10 euros for monthly management. For private clients, as I also earlier mentioned, the SEPA payments are completely free. They can use it unlimited for unlimited transactions, and no additional charge is added. For companies, the fee for regular SEPA is 15 cents, and for instant SEPA it is 29 cents. And for international and companies outside of European Economic Area, additional charges may be applied. All of our clients are eligible for card order, but the card can only be delivered inside the European Economic Area currently. And for the clients, for private clients, the fee for order is 3 euros. For businesses, it is 5 euros. And there, of course, a fee for delivery, depending on the delivery type, will be added. There is a monthly service fee of 45 cents, and the card can be used in all points of sale and ATMs that accept Visa. And all of our cards are protected for secure online shopping with the 3D secure technology that is implemented by Visa, and will give cardholder additional free protection when they are purchasing online. And all of our clients can use this currency converter that is on our account, and for bigger amounts, the rates are better. So you can always check this out with using the calculator that is also on the account. And there is no difference when making a transfer, international transfer. It is mostly all transfers can be done, and they will not cost more than 7 euros. And usually it takes about up to 3 business days for international transfers to be made. But this all depends on where and which currency the transfer is made. And this can be checked from our, when the payment is made, the client is indicated the information. Additionally, for our business clients, they can use the Paysera checkout system, or if the private client has an individual activity license, they can also use this. And with this, our system with only one integration, they will get access to all supported payment methods that we have, including bank links and credit cards. By looking at the available price lists, it seems that our prices are the best or one of the best in the market currently. And then yes, so okay, one point more. So what we understand that is quite important for our business clients is the ability, if they have opened a limited company, to receive a share capital confirmation, and this we can do after the client has made the payment on their account. They have to notify us, and we can provide this document to them for a small fee of €2. It will be in Estonian, and it will be digitally signed for their convenience.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So a little bit about payment Paysera checkout. So this is a payment collection service that lets our clients' customers pay via their bank, their card, in cash, or if they are Paysera client, from their Paysera account. We provide the most popular payment methods which are available to everybody. So as we currently have offices in Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Bulgaria, Romania, all these countries have most of their bank methods included. So it will make much easier for your clients to pay at your to your web shop. This can be used by all nationality clients, so all that 180 countries, and it doesn't only support euros. You can collect payments in all the 30 currencies that our system supports. Also, for convenience, our payment window is translated into 18 different languages, so that the client has a choice and will understand better what they are presented with. Our system allows our clients to monitor and manage their funds in one account instead of having many accounts in different banks. And with our system, it is very easy to see detailed statistics about payments and receive statements about all payments. So there are 3 ways to integrate our checkout system. We have 17 pre-made plugins for the more popular content management systems, such as PrestaShop, Magento, Shopify, WordPress, and so on. Our system can be integrated via the library, or an individual solution can be created for the platform you are using. All of our technical specification is available for free online. So this can be done easy. Yes, as you can see on the screen, this is our license, or a picture of our license that we received in 2012. Since we have been a licensee money institution. So all funds that are transferred to our clients' Paysera accounts are separated from the funds of the company. And we cannot use the funds for our needs. We cannot loan it, we cannot invest it. All of the money is kept in only reliable credit institutions in the European Union. The funds are held in special bank accounts for when even the case of bank or Paysera failure, we must return and can return the funds to the client. Our company is periodically checked and audited by the Bank of Lithuania, which ensures the transparency and impeccable activity of Paysera. For additional security, we obtained in 2017 the PCI DSS certificate, which is an international standard of security technologies and processes. This security standard regulates the requirements for companies accepting payments with cards and processing client data. The certificate confirms that Paysera complies with all security requirements. We have the highest level standard installed, which is used to safely perform over 6 million card transactions a year. For client data protection, we have also registered in the Lithuania State Data Protection Inspectorate. and all client data is processed according to the law of Republic of Lithuania and other legal acts. We use a variety of systems for monitoring both the operation of the system itself and operations performed by our clients. And our system is periodically scanned using the most advanced instruments, and the programming code is checked by external safety experts. So as we are a financial institution, we are required to comply with anti-money laundering and terrorist financing regulations to prevent fraud from using our services and posing a threat to society. We can detect and identify suspicious actions only by having enough information about our clients, their typical transactions, and sources of funds. So KYC, as Know Your Clients, it means that all actions that allow us to know who our client is and to detect any usual behavior, we ask our clients to fill in a questionnaire that is given to the client after registration. After that, we also make sure that all information is correct and up to date, and we ask our clients to revise it periodically. Usually that's once a year. Also, we may ask our clients to provide more information if we do detect any suspicious activity, and we may ask additional questions about the sources of funds, the purpose of transactions, etc. And we expect our clients to always provide as detailed information as fast as possible. To improve our services, we are constantly on the lookout for new possibilities. We are currently in the process of obtaining licenses for Visa and MasterCard. This will ensure the seamless support of payments with Paysera cards. This would also make the cards more available to our clients, since currently we only offer Visa card through our partners. And later, it would also accept or allow to make payments to any payment card directly from our system. And our development team is constantly exploring the possibilities to bring on board new partners to make our payments even faster. So this would help our company to expand to new regions. This would make payments faster and our system more available for more people. We're also currently in the process of integrating SWIFT into our system. This would help us to expand our network again to our more partner banks, and this would provide clients to make payments easier and faster. In the next 2 years, we expect to support more than 100 different currencies, and also we would like to start offering payment terminals for our clients who have physical points of sale. And here you can see, if you are ever in Tallinn, this is the location of our Estonian office. You can come to our office to ask questions. Mainly, currently we only offer support, but in the next, I would say, year, we would like to start providing clients with the possibility to cash in and cash out, and also maybe some other services. But that's currently all for my presentation. Thank you. And we are welcoming you to join us.
Thank you, Tanel, for the presentation. Let's go to the Q&A part now. We have received some questions already. Everyone, feel free to send us more of your questions, and we'll try to answer them all. The first question is, what's the difference between Paysera and TransferWise?
So, yeah, there are many similarities for us. We use a similar system for international transfers, but the main difference that I would find between Paysera and TransferWise is that after you have a Paysera account, you do not need any more accounts. If you have TransferWise, to make payments, you need to transfer the money somehow to TransferWise first. And this is the main difference, I believe.
Okay, thank you. And what's the advantage of using Paysera instead of a traditional bank?
So traditional banks are very, how to say, they are specified in one country, or they they conduct their business for one country's residents. For us, we have an online system, and we try to be international. So this makes easy for clients that are not from European Union, for example, to conduct business in European Union.
So comparing fintech banking options and traditional banks, I think you always have to go physically to the traditional bank to open up a bank account, right? But you don't have to do it with Paysera, for example.
No, that is not necessary. Yes, you can open account without any without contacting us, just uploading the documents into our system. And if you wish to increase your limits for personal accounts, it is required to make additional identification, and that can be done over Skype. So everything can be done online.
Okay, great. Next question is there ways to make investments in Paysera, and is there a savings account interest there?
So currently there is no way to make investments, and there is no interest in Paysera. As we are e-money institution, we are not allowed to make investments with our clients' payments, so we cannot offer any interests. If at one point we would be credit union as a bank, then possibly we would start opening accounts that are made for receiving interests.
Okay. Can a private account order multiple Visa cards without disabling currently active one?
Yes. You can have multiple cards that are connected to the same account. What is the this? Okay, the card can be ordered for another person. So for one private person, there can be only one card that is in their name. If you wish another card, then it has to be somebody else who is also registered in Paysera.
Okay. Okay. Let me read the next question. Is there an assistance for opening a business account for a company in a third world country which does not provide English version of official documents?
So for opening business accounts in our system, what the minimum we require is that we have access to this country's registry, and we can see that the company you are trying to open account for exists and is live or active. So if you can provide this link for us, so we can check this information online, and other documents, for example, company registration document, and that you are the manager of this company can be notarized, then yes, we can open the company. For assistance, you can always call our contact phone for more detailed questions. And when you are starting to open the company account and uploading documents, our workers or our colleagues will leave comments about your documents. So you will always receive some feedback about it.
Okay, great. So the next question is, what is needed in order to open an account with Paysera, and how long does it take to open an account?
For private person, it is only needed an international document. So for example, passport of this country. And usually for private accounts, the opening process takes just a few hours, and the longest part of this process is the checking of documents that might take up to 4 hours from our part. That's
not so bad. I think that's rather fast, actually.
Yes. Yes. For companies, it can be. It depends. For example, if you are e-resident of Estonia, you have Estonian company, it is just a matter of entering the register code. The company account will be opened out automatically, and it can be used by that. Of course, for clients, we expect to fill in the KYC questionnaire, and then the account will be fully usable. And this is, again, up to the client how much it will take.
Okay. So the next question is about delivering the business cards, the bank cards. The question is that why are you not delivering the Visa cards to e-residents who are not living in a SEPA countries?
So this is down to our partners. We currently have a partner that provides us with the cards, and the agreement that we have to them is that we cannot deliver the cards outside of SEPA countries. And from basically after we have gotten licenses from either SEPA, Visa or MasterCard ourselves, we can change this policy, and hopefully we will be able to provide cards to outside SEPA region also.
Okay, that's great. So the next question is from Roman, who previously had a Swedbank account in Estonia, but it was closed. So he's asking that how possible is that his Paysera account will also be closed as it was in Swedbank?
So that is very hard to tell, since the reason why it was closed, it's unknown, and I would ask Roman to try and opening account, as it is free in our system. And for us, yes, we have had in the recent months a lot of requests from people that whose accounts in different banks have been closed, and so far that I know, there have been next to none problems in our system.
Okay, that's great. Is there any deposit protection policy for money kept in Paysera account?
So as it is for credit institution, there is a 100,000 euro guarantee for the funds that are kept on the accounts. This is not true for Paysera. Since we are e-money institutions, we cannot use clients' money. So all money is kept away from our funds, and in case our company will go bankrupt or whatever will happen, the money will be returned to our clients in full extent.
Okay. Can I pay in by a check?
Unfortunately, no. To transfer money to our accounts, you can do that by just a transfer, so international or SEPA transfer or whatever is accessible for you. And also there are some points of physical points where money can be paid in cash.
Okay. How likely is it for e-residents to get a Paysera account?
It is very likely. We support 180 countries, and from these countries, most people will get this account, so no additional questions.
Okay. What is your advantage over a Holvi business account? Which services do you not offer yet that Holvi is offering? Do you know? Can you compare?
Unfortunately, I'm not that familiar with the Holvi business account. What I looked into Holvi, I see that they no longer, or from the start of January, they will stop offering this share capital contribution certificate. And we will not stop doing this, at least not in the near future. So this is one that is, I think, quite important.
And actually, Holvi, yeah, they stop accepting e-residents from the beginning of next year. So actually, it's from e-residents' point of view, it's not comparable or relevant anymore.
Yeah, and for our systems, since we are originate from Lithuania, we do not check whether our client is e-resident or not.
Mm-hmm.
If the client has a valid international document, we will accept them. And of course, it is a bonus for Estonian Paysera if they also have e-residency and an Estonian company.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Is there any business Paysera doesn't support?
Yeah,
Maybe some
there are some that are indicated our the how to say
you name a few?
yeah, for example, we do not accept virtual currency business.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the main that has come up also from e-residents, and unfortunately,
Mm-hmm.
this we do not accept currently.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. How does the payment gateway work with WooCommerce?
I'd say it works well. We have this plugin for WooCommerce, and this can also be found when you log into your WooCommerce account and search for Paysera under payment methods, and then you can just integrate Paysera, and if you have started a project from Paysera account, you can connect them, and it will work.
Mm-hmm. How many retailers are using Paysera? Do you know?
I think we currently have about 15,000 different e-shops, and since we originate as again from Lithuania, about 90% of Lithuanian businesses that have e-shops use our system.
Okay. The next question is also about comparison. So what is the difference between Paysera and Braintree? Do you know?
That I do not know, unfortunately. I'm not familiar with
Yeah,
Braintree.
me neither. I can't comment either. If a private client is a resident of non-EU area but can pick up the Visa card from Tallinn, do you deliver the card? This is possible, right?
Yes, this is possible. For example, if you wish to receive the card, you can just order it to, for example, your friend's address, and they can deliver it to you. But unfortunately, we cannot do it for you.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna see. We have many questions in chat as well. Just a minute. Someone is asking, who is Paysera available to? So I think this is pretty much the same question if there are any kind of limitations, but you said the information is available on your website?
Yes, so we have a general payment service agreement for business and private clients available, and we have all prohibited activities listed there. So this would give you the most inclusive answer.
The IBAN number Paysera is offering, is it from Lithuania?
Yes, currently all IBAN numbers are in Lithuania. In the future, we have already started implementing for Bulgarian clients Bulgarian IBAN. We'll start offering for Latvian clients soon, and hopefully also for Estonian clients.
Okay. Do you know if Qatar is in the list of the 180 countries that you support money exchange and payments?
As far as I know, it should be. Just
Okay.
yeah. Yes, Qatar is accepted.
Yeah, someone's asking about crypto payments, but you don't support that, right?
Unfortunately, no.
Okay. Let me see what questions. Are you thinking about adding business cards in the future? If yes, then when? Business credit cards, they mean.
So this is again down to our license. If later, if at one point Paysera will become a bank, then probably yes. But currently, as we are, we cannot offer credit.
Okay. I think this is generally the case with fintech banks that they don't offer credit, not at the moment at least. Yeah, many of them. So are you is Paysera compliant with the CRS, the Common Reporting Standards, and how do you fulfill these obligations?
Unfortunately, again, I'm not completely familiar with CRS, but I think we should be, as this question was also asked for when one of the guests were registering.
Okay, okay.
and CRS Estonia and Lithuania both have promised to be compliant with CRS. So I expect that we also fulfill its obligations. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Someone's asking how to withdraw money from Paysera account. Is it just standard? They have the card or how does it happen?
Yes, so to withdraw money, they can use their card. There is a withdrawal also due to our agreement with the partners. There is a withdrawal limit of 600 euros daily for all cards. And if a larger amount is needed, they can use our partners that we currently have in Estonia, Latvia, Poland, and Lithuania, where additional money can be withdrawn. This can also be done from our main office in Lithuania and hopefully soon in our main office in Tallinn. And we are currently also in a lookout of new partners that accept cash in and out services. So hopefully they would, in the future, we would accept more points of for that.
Okay, great. Can one create payment gateway for cards?
Yes, it is possible. For that, they need to use our Paysera checkout system. And first, the system has to be fully integrated and activated by us. And then additional application has to be provided for us that we also provide to our partners who will check your business. And this can be done. Unfortunately, collection of money with payment cards is only available for business clients who are registered in the EU. So if you have a company that is registered outside EU, you cannot use this service, unfortunately.
Okay. Do you know if Turkey is one of the countries that Paysera supports?
Yes, Turkey, we support Turkey.
Okay. So the person who asked the question, they probably just didn't find it in the list. But yes, Turkey is supported as well. Jukka is asking, what documents do you need or accept for a proof of residency? Is it banking statements, credit card statements, utility bills?
So for proof of residency, we require the international document. So if you have residency permit, this or is required.
So no utility bills and nothing like that?
No, unfortunately, no.
Okay. How long does it take to deliver the Visa card to Estonia from ordering it to delivery? How long does it take usually?
So it usually takes from our what we have heard from clients, it usually takes about 10 days, but it depends since as we use our partners and they provide us cards a few times a week, not every day. And we send them from our Lithuanian office using, if the client doesn't choose DHL, we use a regular mail service. It depends, but about 10 days is by when you should receive the card to Estonia.
Okay. So next question is about the running a fintech business in Estonia, but that's not really relevant during this webinar. And also, sorry, I misread the question. So how hard is it to run a fintech business in Estonia? Is it as easy as start a company which is focusing on fintech? So can you comment from running a company?
Unfortunately, that I cannot comment on, since I'm only a worker for a fintech company, not the
founder.
Yes.
Yeah, but on my side, I can comment that you do definitely need to apply for a license, and it is probably quite heavily regulated industry. So you will need to do a lot of research on your own and probably consult with ask legal advice and that sorts of things. So.
Yes, yeah. And also as what I'm heard from, it is quite a long process. It isn't like you can open a company and start providing services the next day. It will take maybe even a year to be licensed.
Yeah, probably they will do many of background checks and so on, that you would be a reliable and trustworthy business. So I can imagine that it can be quite difficult.
Mhm.
Yeah. But
Yes.
there are no more questions at the moment, so I think we can wrap this seminar up. Thank you so much, Tanel,
Yes.
for joining us and talking about Paysera. I hope everyone received answers to their questions.
Yes, you're very welcome.
Yes, and there are many more webinars coming in December, so we hope you will join those as well. But thank you for today, and have a nice day.
Yes, you too. Thank you
Bye.
for listening. Okay, goodbye.